reverse flow of materials look like to a science-based companies? Could you share a few strategies that could help companies get started? This is a great question. This topic is being discussed across different industries. The reverse flow of materials is a concept that science-based companies are increasingly embracing as a part of their sustainability efforts. It involves the process of recovering materials from used products, recycling waste materials, and using insights gained from analyzing returned products to inform future product design and manufacturing processes. We can discuss a few examples here to help companies initiate this journey. The first example I want to talk about is material recovery, one crucial aspect where valuable materials are extracted from used products. This not only reduces waste, but also allows companies to reclaim and reuse precious resources. The second example I want to talk about is recycling. Recycling plays a critical role in the reverse flow of materials. It involves transforming waste materials into raw materials that can be reintroduced into the manufacturing processes, reducing the need for very valuable resources. The third idea I want to share is about product design and improvement. An often overlooked but significant aspect is using insights gained from analyzing returned products to inform future product design and manufacturing processes. The initiative approach ensures that products are designed for sustainability from the outside. So how can science-based companies begin implementing the reverse flow of materials? What are the strategies? I want to share some, from my point of view, to give you some ideas. The first one I want to talk about is to conduct a materials flow analysis. Start by conducting a comprehensive material flow analysis within your organization. Identify key materials used in your products and assess opportunities for recovery and recycling. The second strategy is to implement closed-loop systems. Introduce closed-loop systems where materials are recaptured and reintegrated into your production processes. This reduces the reliance on new resources and minimizes waste generation. The third strategy would be to collaborate with your suppliers. Engage with your suppliers to ensure that materials are sourced sustainably and can be easily recycled or recovered at the end of their life cycle. Consider partnership with suppliers who share their sustainability goals with you. The next one is to invest in research and development. Allocate resources to R&D efforts focused on sustainable materials and recycling technologies. Stay at the forefront of scientific advancement to drive innovation in materials recovery and recycling. The next one is to collect and analyze product data. Gather data on the performance of returned products, including failure modes or materials degradation. Use this data to inform product design improvements, extending product life cycles, and reduce waste. The last idea I want to share here is to educate and engage with your employees. Ensure that your employees understand the importance of the reverse flow of materials and their role in this implementation. Encourage a culture of sustainability and innovation within your organization. So in conclusion, the reverse flow of materials is a powerful approach for science-based companies to enhance sustainability, reduce waste, and drive innovation. By recovering materials, recycling waste, and continuously improving product designs, companies can contribute to a more circular and sustainable economy. Implementing these strategies may require initial investment, but long-term benefits for both environment and your business are substantial.